That's a nice picture if you take a picture of that. I don't know, my phone might be dead. I might not even be able to turn it on and take a picture. That would be nice just to get that as a fucking picture.
Oh, I'm getting one. You've said it 3 times now. Don't worry, I'll get one. There's buildings over there. That's how close we are to Timmins. That's what the fuck is that? Isn't that the old folks' home?
No, that's the apartment building on fucking. That's like
That was the old folks' home, but okay. Anyways.
That's right by the new A&W and shit in Feldman's. Paul's right here. Hi.
Maggie.
You guys want to have a cigarette?